fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with some goodies from Diamondartgift. So a big thank you to them for sending the items to me. And I'm just going to jump in, you guys. I've got 3 canvases. I don't know which one is which, so let's just grab one and see what we get. So, oh, if I can get it out of there. Ooh, this is another one that the canvas is thin, so it's nice and pliable. I like that. Oh yeah, this cutie. Okay, so we get in our kit a standard tool kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. Guys, it comes in baggies. It looks like it has the DMC codes on the drills. Round drill kit, as you can see. Looking at the drills, I don't see a bunch of dimples. There's some, but not many. They look cute, and look at all these cute little colors. So what kit is this? It is this little cutie pie here. It is this cute little elephant and bunny sleeping on the moon. This was another one that I just thought was super cute. Good for my 30 by 30 challenge. Not a lot of white, which sometimes it is a challenge finding ones that are 30 by 30 that don't have a lot of white in the background. So let me smooth this out so it lays up a little bit flatter. Okay, so this is a 30 by 30, like I said. So let's measure this and see. 24 by 24. It has 20 colors, which is actually quite a bit for as small as this is. And we do have the DMC codes on both schematics. We have 2 schematics, so that's good. This is nice and sticky. And again, this is that new, I guess it's not new anymore, but the newer style of printing where they print it and then they print the image and then they print the symbols on top of it. Because you can see here, like, some of the shading in these E's goes out beyond where the actual drills will be placed. So you get some of that nice shading in the background and everything. I'm looking at it. I don't see any symbols that look like they're going to give me issues. The elephant is 3865 and it is the eye symbol as well as the bunny, so that's good. So let's take a look at our drills and see what we get. Okay, so we get pink, a gray, kind of a light tan, a tan. Oh, there's a couple of stowaways in there. A blue, a light blue, kind of a sky blue, a very pale pink, a blue, it's like a grayish blue, and then we've got a tan, a very pale peach, a pink, a purple, baby blue, whoops, another kind of peachy color, a very pale yellow, another blue, a pale kind of peach orange, and then white. So that's all the white that's in here. So that's really surprising considering, oh, I didn't even look. So all of the elephant mostly here, except for his ear and some shading, is white. The bunny is white, and all of this section of the moon is white, although there's some shading on this side. So be interesting to see what it looks like worked up. So there are the drills for that. And again, they come in baggies for those of you who like to work from baggies. I wish I did. It would save me so much time kitting up and everything for a lot of my kits, but I just can't do it. You guys, I I tried using multiple trays. I'm going to have to try it again when I have trays with lids. But for now, yeah, it did not work. I just ended up spilling everything everywhere, and I was so frustrated by the end of it that it wasn't worth it. Okay, this is another thinner canvas. I like if this is what they've been moving to, kind of away from that really stiff to this thinner stuff. It's lighter weight, so that's probably easier, less shipping maybe. I don't know if it's enough to make a difference, but I guess it adds up over time. So this is a special kit, as you can see, because we get our boat plate of wax pink pen, but we also get a set of tweezers to go with it. And you can see some of our special drills, and there's an AB, so that's exciting. And here is our picture. Now, this one is a little bit bigger than I normally get. This is a 30 by 40, but let me get some of these little puckers out of here so it'll lay a little bit flatter. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see the image there. I just thought this was a really good image. It's cute, it's simple, it's butterflies, it's kind of, you know, simple colors. It's a pretty simple color scheme. We do only have a schematic on one side, not both, but we do have codes. Now, those are not DMC codes, those are the special drill codes, but somewhere there's got to be a listing. If you know where there's a list of what the special drill codes are, hook me up. Okay, so we've got 11 colors. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be, but again, it's a partial, so you know, you're doing the butterfly and the flowers like this black here and all this black. You're not diamond painting. So 30 by 40, it is 25. I'm going to guess by 35. A little under 35. Might be 35 if I took the time to straighten it all out. Just a tad under, a skosh under, as my mom would have said. Okay, so nice and sticky, 30 by 40. Oh, I don't think I told you guys the prices. Okay, so the elephant with the moon was $4.99, and it's a 30 by 30. This one, like I said, is a 30 by 40, and it's listed at $5.99. But again, it's pretty simple. So, yeah, let me take a look at the drills for this one. Okay, then we've got round pearls, we've got round orange, we've got green rhinestones. Ooh, we've got pretty purple iridescent rounds, purple iridescent teardrop shapes, some regular white, some clear iridescent marquee cut. Ooh, those are very pretty. Some purple blue teardrop shapes, some blue marquee cut, and then we have our blue purple ABs, and then we have just some green marquee cut. So can't wait to see what number is that? Is that number 2? Number 2 goes where, oh, it outlines all the butterflies, so that will be super pretty. Okay, so let me wind these back up here so I can get them back in where they belong. Okay, so this one will not be for my 30 by 30 challenge, but when they're partials like this, I've been working on such big canvases. I want some that are, you know, partials like this so that I can have some of those quick couple of hour finishes, just so I can say, hey, I finished something, because all of my other projects are taking me hours and hours and hours. Okay, and then our last one here is, you guys, I can't ever figure out, there we go, where the ends of these things are, darn it. Okay, so this one, ooh, again with the very thin canvas, love that. It just makes them so much easier to roll up. Okay, so another special one, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, and we get the tweezers with it. Ooh, that's a pretty yellow AB, and special drills for this one. And this one is this pretty vase. And this is not something typically that I would get, but I saw this one and I just really like the color scheme. I've actually tried to buy a couple of vases just for something different, and every time I order one like this, they're sold out. So I managed to get my hands on one. So this one is a 30 by 30 as well. So let's measure. It is 24 by 24. And we do have a schematic on both sides on this one, along with our crystal and special drill codes. Only 11 types of drills, so not that many drills. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. So let's see what these drills look like. Okay. Oops, got one left behind. So we've got these very pretty purple iridescent teardrop shapes. And then we have all these. Oh my goodness, look at these. So we've got these very small red teardrops, these kind of old antique gold marquee, blue round, like a light blue round. Then we've got these yellow ABs. Then we've got some very dark red, some brown crystals, some light green. Are those the same color? No, they are not. So two different colors of like a turquoise. I guess this one is more like a deep turquoise, and this one is like a paler turquoise, and then clear. I really like these two colors though. Whenever I see these in a kit, I think those are going to be pretty. And those yellow ABs, where do those go? That's number 7. Number 7. Oh, they go right here in the vase on all these little arrows. So that's going to be super pretty. So yeah, so there is this special drill kit. This one could be a contender for my 30 by 30 challenge. Still trying to figure out how many 30 by 30 partials I want to use. Oh, and this one is listed at $5.88. So just to recap, we've got the vase here, the blue flowers. We've got our cute little rabbit and elephant on the moon, and then we have our sparkly butterflies. So there are my latest finds from Diamondartgift. As always, I will put links in the description below so that you can check these out, as well as anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Hey guys, I'm back. I finished a couple of the projects from Diamondartgift, so I wanted to show them to you so that you can see what they look like finished. So first up, I have the butterfly and flowers, and I'm actually really happy with how this came out. Um, First, the flowers here kind of have that um, bubble round look where you've got some of the larger pearls interspersed with the white. And I think all of the special drills on the butterflies look really good. And I really like this dark AB that kind of outlines everything, the flowers and the butterflies. And so, yeah, I just think this one turned out really well. So I'm really happy with this one. And then I finished another one. You guys, I'm so happy I finished 2 things. I finished the blue vase and flowers. So here you can see the vase and then the flowers. And neither of these took really a lot of time at all. They both took around 2 hours. Special drills, they don't take a lot of time. But Yeah, super happy with the way they turned out. And I like the yellow AB, I think looks good in this one as well. These little slivers, they look pretty, but oh, they're so hard. I had to sharpen my pretty placer to get them to be the placed where I wanted them to be because they're just so tiny. It can be really hard to deal with. And then placing these other ones kind of in between was fun too. But I think it worked out and they turned out really well. So I'm really happy with them. So I finished both of these. So yeah, there you go. Some cute things from Diamond Art Gift. And now you know what they look like finished, so you can go check them out. Again, I will put links in the description below. So you can find these if you like how they turned out, or you can find other things that might catch your eye. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.